friends, I am Coderboy. Today we will learn 3 useful string tricks in Python. Join, repeat and find the length. Remember, a string is text inside quotes. With these 3 tricks we can join text together, repeat text and count how long the text is. Let's start with joining. In Python, the plus sign can join 2 strings together. For example, coder plus boy becomes coderboy. This is called joining or string concatenation. Let's try it. First create a variable called first and put the string coder inside it. Then create another variable called last and put the string boy inside it. Now print first plus last, click run and Python shows coderboy. Great. 2 strings were joined into one. Now let's run how to repeat a string. In Python, a star symbol can repeat a string. Type print, open bracket, quote, your text here, close the quotes, insert star, enter 5 and close bracket. Now click run and Python shows ha 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 ha. That's funny. That is ha repeated 5 times. So remember, a string times a number makes copies of a string. Now let's learn the third trick, finding the length. To count how many characters are inside a string, we use len. Len means length. It counts every character in the string. Let's try it. Type print, open bracket, length, open bracket, insert quote, write your text, close the quote, close the bracket and close the bracket again. Now click run and Python shows 8. Why 8? Because Coderboy has 8 letters Coderboy. So remember, the plus sign joins strings, the star symbol repeats a string, and a length counts how many characters are inside a string. These are 3 handy string tricks that we will use again and again. In the next video, we learn about list. A list is like a box that can hold many things at once. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.